Employers say they see the academic depth that the LSE brings, that students go out from here with a critical perspective, analytical skills, quantitative skills, but communication skills that they don't necessarily see from other places.
SENS is a Master's in International Management program, which is unique in that it allows students to study at LSE to obtain their Master's, as well as studying it abroad at one of our partner schools. It gives students an opportunity to become global students, to study in exciting environments. The program itself espouses a variety of core values which are really important in today's business. Values like global citizenship, responsible leadership, and ethics. I think it also provides for lifelong networking opportunities, which are really valuable to our students. The LSE MBA Exchange offers our students to couple this very academic, rigorous experience they get at LSE with a more practical experience from the MBA, which often employers are looking for.
You not only have those networks in London, you may also have networks in the United States. It's really beneficial to have a taste of what American-style business school looks like, and also engage yourself in a MBA class and try to apply what you've learned in the first year and to the practical case.